This is playing the jigsaw game on my iPad. The simple mechanism here is to tap or drag the pieces. Now to start the game, you just need to tap on the shuffle link at the top navigation bar there. After that, you need to sort out the pile of jigsaw pieces. And it's just, as I say, a matter of tapping to turn the piece or hold and drag the pieces around the screen. Once two or more pieces are locating into each other, they will move as a unit. So it gets easier to manipulate the whole design. So once you're finished, you can either try a version with more pieces. This has started with 12 pieces, as you can see. You can choose a whole variety to give yourself more challenge, or you can simply fire off an invitation to a friend to see if they can beat your time. The global score will tell you how you're ranking. Have fun.